Hello everyone, welcome to my class. I hope you are fine. We are going to start the topic cell reference. What is cell reference in MS Excel? It is the cell address that is used in formula. For example, if we write A1, then A represents column A and 1 represents the row number 1. There are main three types of the cell references: relative cell reference, absolute cell reference, and third one is mixed cell reference. Now we are going to discuss about the relative reference. When we create a formula, the cell reference is based on the position relative to the cell. That means when we copy or move the formula to other cells, then the reference to that cell gets automatically changed. Let's take an example of relative reference. Here I want to calculate the total of the number of units sold from Jan to June month. So I'm writing here sum and after the braces B2 colon B7. Sum function is used to add the cells from B2 to B7. So now after pressing the enter, the result is shown on the screen. And now go to the cell and select the copy option from the clipboard area, and then go to the C8 cell, the option paste from the clipboard area. So now formula is pasted. See here students, if we click on B8 cell, then the formula is sum B2 colon B7, and if I click on the C8 cell, then formula is sum C2 colon C7. Next category is absolute reference. When we don't want to change the address of the cell while copying the formula to another cell, then this reference is used. We have to use the $sign symbol before the column name and before the row name. So this row and column is not changed while copying the formula. Take an example. Here I want to add the incentive 10%. So how we can use it? Go to the cell D2. To write any formula, firstly we have to specify the equal to symbol, then type the name of the column equal to B2 multiplied by, we have to specify dollar symbol here, $sign, then E column name and $sign, again row number, that is 11. After pressing the enter, there will be the output, that is 100. We can copy this formula by the option copy from the clipboard area, or we can copy this formula by the drag option. Go to the cell from which we want to copy, and when the plus symbol is shown, then drag that area. Here all the columns have the incentive value, that is by given formula. See students, in B5 there is a B5 cell, but E11 is same in all the cells. If I choose D4 cell, then there is B4 cell. If I choose D3, there is B3, but E and 11 is same in all the cells while copying the formula. Third type is the mixed reference. It is the combination of relative and absolute reference. In this type, either row or column has to be remain fixed. Now let's calculate the total actual expenses by mixed reference. We have to take the 100 as a charity amount. Then in E2 cell we have to write equal to $C2 without $sign minus E$12. After pressing the enter key, we will see the output, that is the total expense by charity amount. So this formula is copied by dragging the mouse pointer to rest of the cells. So you will see the output at the screen. When we select C3 cell, then there is a C3, and when we go to C4, then C remains fixed and 4, 5, 6 rows are changed because we use mixed reference. We don't specify $sign before the row number. Circular reference. A circular reference occurs when a formula in the cell refers to its own cell value directly or indirectly. Example, if I type 25 in A1 cell and in A2 cell I want to type the formula equal to A1 plus A2 multiply 5. Then warning is shown on your screen, and this warning shows in your formula you use the reference, circular reference. Then after pressing the OK, it returns the 0 value that is shown in our cell. How we can use the cell references from one worksheet to another? First way is by using the copy paste option. Let's start. So in sheet 2 we have data about the salary, and sheet 1 we have data about the number of units. From the B8 cell I want to copy the formula that I want to paste on the sheet 2. So click on the B8 and copy option, then go to the sheet 2, and in B8 we have to paste that formula. See students, in B8 sum B2 colon B7. There is another way to use the cell reference from the another worksheet, that is using sheet reference. This sheet reference uses sheet number, exclamation marks, and cell address. Now take an example. In the sheet 2, I have to type the formula in C2 from copying the formula from B8 from sheet 1. So go to the sheet 2 and in C2 cell, and we have to type equal to, then B2 plus, then we have to specify the sheet number, sheet 1, then exclamation mark, then cell address, that is D2. This D2 cell is from sheet 1. So after pressing the enter, we will see the output of the formula. We can say 15,100 is the addition of 15,000 plus 100 from the D2 cell from sheet 1. Then we can copy this formula by dragging the option. Now in all the cells output is shown by the formula, and if I select the C7 cell, this is the addition of B7 from sheet 2 and D7 from sheet 1. That's all students. Thank you so much. Take care. Goodbye.